This is a video about the ZTZ front air forks from Amazon. The first appearance on the forks were actually surprisingly good for where it's coming from. I purchased these from Amazon for a fairly good price. Not top notch like RockShox or Fox, but it's definitely doable. The reason for me switching this out is because I got into a couple little incidents where I bottomed out and actually went over, leading to a couple scrapes here and there, but enough was enough and I wanted to upgrade to get more serious about the sport. Unfortunately, due to the weather, I'm not able to take this out into the train and give it an honest review. Because of that, it'll be resulting in another video of the actual honest review of it out in the terrain, hitting rocks, stumps, maybe a couple jumps. That's for later. If you like this video and want more information on it, give it a like, leave a comment, and as always, have a good one.